Searching for an affordable email client that doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg? In today's world of 2026, we'll be taking a look at M Client and analyzing whether or not its pricing is justified when there are other free or inexpensive competitors in the market like Thunderbird, Outlook, and Spark. M Client is a desktop based email application designed for Windows and Mac operating system, which can manage all your emails, contacts, tasks, calendar events, and chat conversations from one window. With such useful capabilities as native PGP, automatic translation, anti tracking system, and smart AI to help write and analyze emails, it would be a great choice for busy professionals who keep both business and personal mailboxes organized. The pricing model begins with a free version, followed by Pro, which focuses on a one time fee of $59.95 for lifetime usage across one device or $129.95 for lifetime upgrades. Those using multiple devices typically use the $3.99 monthly plan available for three devices. This is a strong competitor against the Microsoft new Outlook product that comes free but displays ads and does not support advanced data management locally unless a $70 yearly subscription for Microsoft 365 is paid. The free version of Spark does not have M's robust local security measures but incorporates some team collaboration features. Here are some of its strengths. It has excellent security and multi account management, which outperforms standard free software. It has access without internet, automatic backups, and messaging capabilities which save hours each day. It has free trial period of 30 days and satisfaction guarantee ensure no risks in evaluation. For its weaknesses and alternatives, the one-time payment of mClient may appear high compared to other free versions like Thunderbird or Spark when you use only two mailboxes. After 5 years, the lifetime subscription of M Pro at around $130 is better than the annual renewals in Outlook starting from $350, but doesn't have the same Microsoft Office package and Spark's Team Inbox functionality. So, is it worth it? M clients shouldn't be considered too expensive for professionals looking for advanced functions with no monthly payments. The lifetime plan provides more benefits than Outlook's subscription model. Don't purchase it for personal or non intensive use. Free Thunderbird is a superior choice. Test out the trial version and share your own opinion below, and sign up for more unbiased reviews on technology.